Smart locks have evolved beyond keys and codes, and the eufy FamiLock S3 Max and SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision show exactly how far. FamiLock turns your door into a security powerhouse with palm vein scanning and a 2K camera, while SwitchBot keeps your existing deadbolt and adds 3D facial recognition and multiple unlock methods. Two different approaches, one goal: making your home smarter and safer. Let's see which one is right for you. The eufy FamiLock S3 Max is a full replacement deadbolt, meaning it requires removing your existing lock and installing the device in its place. This approach takes a bit more effort during installation, but the advantage is that you end up with a unified smart lock that functions as a full security system at your door. The lock features a touchscreen keypad for PIN entry and a 4-inch interior display that allows you to see live video from the doorbell camera, providing a modern alternative to a traditional peephole. This all-in-one design ensures that both biometric access and video monitoring are contained within a single device. The SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision takes a very different approach. It is a retrofit system that attaches to the rear of your existing deadbolt, allowing you to retain your current keys and lock hardware. This makes it particularly appealing for renters or anyone who doesn't want to modify their door. The system comes with an external keypad vision, which houses the 3D facial recognition sensor and mounts outside the door. Installation is straightforward and does not require drilling or significant alterations, making it a convenient option for those who want to upgrade to a smart lock without replacing their hardware entirely. The FamiLock S3 Max stands out with its palm vein recognition, a technology that scans the unique patterns of blood vessels in your palm to unlock the door. This method is highly accurate, difficult to spoof, and works for up to 50 individual palm profiles stored locally on the device, ensuring that your biometric data never leaves the lock. In addition to palm vein scanning, the lock supports PIN code entry, mobile app unlock over Wi-Fi, voice assistant commands through Matter-compatible platforms like Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Home, and traditional physical key access. It also features an auto-lock function with sensor-based detection to automatically secure the door after closing. The SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision, in contrast, emphasizes 3D structured light facial recognition through its external keypad. The system boasts a false acceptance rate of less than 0.0001%, and facial data is stored locally for privacy. Beyond facial recognition, the SwitchBot system also supports fingerprint unlock, PIN code entry, NFC card access, app-based control, voice assistance, auto unlock via geofencing, Apple Watch unlock, and the use of a traditional key. Altogether, this allows for approximately 18 different unlock methods depending on setup, giving the SwitchBot system unmatched flexibility in access options. In this category, SwitchBot takes the lead for variety, while eufy excels in the specificity and speed of its palm vein biometric recognition. Where the FamiLock S3 Max really shines is in its integration of a 2K HDR video doorbell directly into the lock. The camera has a wide field of view that captures visitors from head to toe, providing detailed coverage of anyone approaching the door or delivering packages. Motion sensors reduce false alerts, while two-way audio allows homeowners to communicate with visitors directly from the lock. Video is stored locally on an 8GB drive, eliminating the need for a subscription, and the interior display allows you to view live footage instantly. This combination of biometric access and active monitoring makes the FamiLock S3 Max an all-in-one security solution. SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision, however, does not include a built-in camera. Its focus is on secure access rather than video monitoring. Users who want camera functionality will need to add a separate video doorbell to the setup. While this keeps the lock system streamlined and focused on its core functions, it does mean that SwitchBot lacks the integrated smart security features that eufy provides. Both systems support modern smart home platforms and Matter, but the way they integrate differs. The FamiLock S3 Max works with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and eufy's own ecosystem, offering Wi-Fi direct control and the ability to leverage Homebase for enhanced AI features and notifications. It is important to note, however, that Matter integration does not expose the camera functions, so third-party platforms may only recognize the lock status and not video streams. SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision also supports Matter and integrates with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and other automation platforms through the included Hub Mini. It is highly compatible with home automation setups, particularly for controlling unlock functions and integrating with geofencing. While the FamiLock S3 Max ties video and lock functions together in its ecosystem, SwitchBot excels in unlocking flexibility and integration into broader smart home workflows. The eufy FamiLock S3 Max is built to meet ANSI/B HMA Grade 1 certification, the highest standard for residential and commercial locks, and has an IP65 rating for weather resistance, making it suitable for outdoor installations. Its motion sensors and auto-lock features further enhance security. The SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision does not carry ANSI/B HMA certification, but its biometric system uses AES 128 encryption for local storage of sensitive data. The lock itself is intended for indoor installation, while the external keypad vision is rated for outdoor use. This means SwitchBot users must ensure the main lock hardware is protected from the elements. Overall, eufy wins in terms of traditional security ratings and outdoor durability. Both locks offer innovative battery management, but they approach it differently. The FamiLock S3 Max uses a dual system called Power Duo, consisting of a 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery pack supplemented by 4 AAA batteries as a backup. This ensures that the lock remains functional even if the main battery runs low, and usage typically lasts 5 months or more, depending on lock and camera activity. Battery levels can be monitored through the eufy app at any time. SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision employs a triple power system. Its main rechargeable battery lasts 9 to 12 months under typical use, and there is a backup battery to extend life even further. In addition, it has an emergency supercapacitor that allows the lock to operate even if both primary power sources are depleted. This multi-tier approach provides exceptional redundancy and ensures that users are never locked out due to power issues. For battery longevity and redundancy, SwitchBot offers a slight edge. Both the eufy FamiLock S3 Max and SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision are excellent, but they serve different needs. The FamiLock S3 Max is a premium all-in-one lock with palm vein biometrics, an integrated video doorbell, and local storage, ideal for homeowners prioritizing security and monitoring. The SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision focuses on flexibility and convenience, letting you keep existing hardware while offering 3D facial recognition, multiple unlock methods, and broad smart home integration. In short, choose eufy for comprehensive security and video, or SwitchBot for retrofit ease and versatile access options.